Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Praise a Crazy Beauty, chapter 23. So here it is. Let's read the story. So that's it. What can be done? We knew that Xiaorong and your brother were planning to eliminate your father. You wouldn't make a fuss over a mere finger marriage. Princess Baiman, she really gets serious. So, what about the finger marriage? Whether the general accept the proposed marriage or not is general personal choice. Right now, the nine princes, you guys have nothing to do with each other. And it doesn't matter, I like General Xiaorong. She also knows that I like her. But Princess Baiman, in this case, little princess, why not please come back first? Let me think about it carefully. Right now, Princess Baiman seems to be hesitating. Well, sister-in-law, I'll leave it first. Right now, Princess Baiman still sulking. Of course, I also like General Xiaorong, but there's a political agenda on this. And there are really ostenious flower butterflies everywhere. There are really ostenious flowers lurking around. And the relationship of Xiaorong and the Emperor. Right now, Princess Baiman, she was thinking hard how to solve this problem. At least, it's looked pretty good on the surface. Many years ago, when the two of them still not transmigrated on this, General Shao and his 8 nephews were surrounded by enemy forces in the western frontier. It seems that General Xiaorong on that time just having difficulty asked for help from the troops, but she was rejected by the emperor. One by one, she knocked on the doors of the aristocratic families in Beijing, but she really got rejected, putting together hundreds of servants, good and bad, rushing to the west frontier all night long. With the help of General Shao's old subordinates, were used to turn on tides, guard the western border. But General Shao, right now it seems that it was really getting complicated. Even Xiaorong's father and uncle. Well, it was really sad. General Xiaorong on that time, even her father and her are famous protecting the kingdom. Xiaorong gained military power and made great achievement in the war for several years. However, to live a new life, well, it's really getting complicated. Only then did I understand what flattery means. What's more, Xiaorong fought for the country. Of course, she is like a heroine, but right now, she remembered that Xiaorong on that time she was rushing through. Well, probably, this is the day Princess Baiman will get eliminated. But he has such a reputation as a monstrous person. There are a lot of slanderous confusion. Families who slander her because she is a woman. Well, that was bad. How much the emperor's acquiescence was there? Well, it seems to be. It was getting complicated. Back then, the emperor was probably wary of Xiaorong's from the beginning to end. Find a way to eliminate her. There must be something fishy about the marriage that they're talking about. Well, guys, this is it. Praise a Crazy Beauty, Chapter 23. Well, the story is getting better. I hope you will like it. Back to General Xiaorong, there must be something fishy about marriage, and quickly. Give me your general a seat quickly. Well, back then, remembering all from the past. Right now, the emperor. Alas, I watched Wronger grew up, and Wronger become like my daughter. Feels like last time I saw emperor was a lifetime ago. Well, she's been teased by the emperor. The nine kings chop off his head with a sword. Seeing each other now really confusing. Now I think you are not young anymore. Emperor said to Xiaorong. Today, I talk about your marriage. I just thought that since I am daughter's family, I have to return to my family. You have been in the army for several years. Now, it's time for you to retire and rest. General Sharon right now seems to she's getting angry. She's grasping her hands and holding tight. Probably she was really getting mad. Looking at her face on a cup of tea, the Emperor has the final say in the matter. There was no such thing as a finger marriage in the previous life. Now it seems that the flat changed, right? So that was it. The Emperor said to her, "Now, mount your horse." Oh, this is getting crazy. To do whatever the Emperor said, but she really don't want to. The moment she gets reborn and returned to the Baimans, her daughter was publicly exposed. On her wedding day, and went to see Baiman. "I know you are a good boy. I also know that young people marriage is a matter of great importance right now. Of course, I have to allow you to choose the one you like. Someone please bring up the portrait." The Emperor said to General Xiaorong. She can choose whatever she wants. There are 4 good men here, all of whom are first-class family background. Stronger, just choose one among them. Oh, it turns out she wants to be with a man. Which of these men do you like? Well, this is getting crazy. Right now, General Xiaorong. Of course, right now. Except for the pretty face, she has nothing but a good looks. If I hadn't lived again, I wouldn't have known. Well, right now, General Xiaorong. She need to choose a man. Among these 4 people, some are addicted to eating, drinking, and some are born with hysteria and are likely to eliminate their wife. Right now, it was really tough decision for General Sharon. Please ask Emperor to have make decision for you. Since you want the people see that I accept your kindness, then I will. Well, this is not good. In this case, I will organize a flower appreciation banquet for you. At that time, you and this gentleman can talk to the curtain. Right now, she's cultivating her feelings. I thought Sharon still have to stick these rules. This is really outrageous. Xiao family has your younger brother Xiao Si. I obey the order. Well, this is all on Sharon's thinking right now. So, she will feel better. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!